if you have been a JEE aspirant and have done a 2-year or 1-year program for JEE, these are few things that you should not do in last few days before the exam. The first and the foremost point is avoid going through all the books like a board student will do. So what you can avoid is basically going from linearly, picking up NCERT or your textbook and going linearly from one chapter to another, preparing it like any other student of board will do. The second thing that you can avoid is not writing mock test papers. What people will do is till the last moment they will keep on reading the same content over and over, and they will not find that time to sit and write mock test papers. So they will never get the feedback. What area is getting prepared? From where are they losing marks? Are they writing enough for a long answer? Are they writing enough for a short answer? So this kind of feedback will only get generated if you write mock test papers. Third and the most important thing is not going through 10 years previous year question papers. So what I've seen is students will go and see what I do not know and what I know in this chapter. They will not put enough time into research and understanding what exactly came from that chapter. See, there might be 10 different things that you do not know from that chapter, but that's fine because they are not asking those 10 things in the exam as well. And your job at this point of time is not just to beef up your knowledge, but is to get very good marks at the level of board exams. Now, in order to help you out, what we are doing at IIT, we are coming up with a one-shot series for board exams, where in 1 hour we'll be taking last 10 years previous year board questions and discussing those 10 years paper in detail, telling you how to write those questions, what exactly need to be prepared for that. And this is going to give you that extra edge in a very small amount of investment of time to excel in your board exams. For more such helpful videos, you can like, share, subscribe Pragbee's YouTube channel.